All right, let's see where we are on this thing. Kind of give another update on what's going on and what's happening, what changes are made. Here we go. All right, so everything is out of the radiator cross support. All the bolts. I got take out my mounting bolts. I got one started up right there. This one here. That over there stuck. I gotta send something in there, an attitude adjustment, to get it turned so it'll come out. But as I was taking things out of it, I noticed the silicone on the fan clutch is coming out. Of course, we're not gonna be using it anyway, but if you ever got a Chevrolet running hot on you, see if it's got that silicone mess coming out of the spring in the front. If it does, go ahead and throw that fan clutch away. But it'll come out, then we'll be ready to get it out. But things have changed a little bit, you know. I made a post over on my build page. You'll have to go over there. I'll put the link down at the bottom on what's going on with that. On the inside, so I turned the double din on the other day. It's all right. We got the both door panels done, so it's coming along. So this is where I am. Everything came out loose, good. Nothing was really nothing froze up. Everything broke loose, came out easy. But I can tell you this, if you go over that build page and read the post, I gotta leave this one running. I can set the radiator back in it and just plumb it and tie it back. But I'm in a process right now, progress to moving it. But anyway, that's where we're at. We're getting there. Just a short video of where I'm at. So there you have it. So I'll still be putting content up. We got the interior we can work on, but I do have to keep the engine ready to fire. Just go over and check out that post I made. If you don't have a Facebook, you just won't be able to read it. It's a public post over on the build page where I put a lot of the stuff that's going on with the truck that I don't put on YouTube. But we got seats, we can mount the console, we can do stuff in between what the post is about and go from there. But anyway, we'll see y'all next Sunday, and maybe we'll have a little bit longer video on what's going on. But this is just kind of a little update where we at. You know, got the bolts cleaned up for the cross member, ready to coat them. It's in the review channel, the review video that was on it before, put on earlier. But anyway, let's keep on moving. We got to keep moving forward. As far as the little engine goes, I got the radiator, using the radiator out of this on it, and getting it about ready to fire up, let it idle, so we can tune that thing with no load on it. See how she idles. I'm curious on hearing this thing. It should wake the old truck up some a little bit. But anyway, let's keep moving on. See y'all next week.